Situated on Maui's dramatic northwest coast of crystal warm water and surrounded by a 23,000-acre historic pineapple plantation is the award-winning Kapalua Resort, the essence of the island's beauty. Welcome to the new face of luxury, Kapalua Gold Villas, Maui's finest collection of accommodations and the new standard for enjoying your vacation to the fullest. Set against the island's most unforgettable backdrops, the emerald fairways of the resort's golf courses, a promontory overlooking the bay, and where white sand meets the infinite blue of the dramatic coastline. Combining five-star amenities with the comfort of an impeccable private villa. Newly renovated by Hawaii's top designer with an island sensibility and elegant flair. Kapalua Gold Villas offer everything you need to enjoy your home away from home. The amenities include a complete kitchen featuring travertine floors, granite countertops, spacious living areas, air conditioning, and flat-screen home entertainment system. For those seeking the perfect getaway for larger families or corporate retreats, Kapalua luxury homes offer an abundance in space with up to 5 bedrooms. These distinctive homes are richly appointed, featuring marble, granite, and gourmet kitchens with top-of-the-line appliances. Private pools and lanais provide sweeping views of the neighboring islands. VIP check-in, daily maid service, high-speed internet, and complimentary long-distance complete the inspired experience. As a Kapalua resort guest, privileges abound, including access to the resort's complimentary door-to-door resort shuttle service, concierge service, complimentary tennis, 30-day advance tea time, and inspired dining. Discover a better way to vacation in the new tradition of luxury.